Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare OpenMediaVault and Nextcloud. OpenMediaVault and Nextcloud both let you manage your data, but they serve very different purposes. OpenMediaVault is a full-fledged NAS operating system. It likes turning an old PC into your own personal server. You get file sharing over your home network, support for RAID, scheduled backups, media streaming, and even Docker with a plugin. It's designed to run on the hardware level and act as a central storage hub. The interface is clean, it's beginner-friendly, and it works great if all you want is network storage and basic services. Nextcloud, on the other hand, is more personal cloud platform. It's all about remote access, collaboration, and syncing files across multiple devices. You can access your files via browser or mobile app, share documents, use calendar and contacts, and even run plugins for video calling, notes, or password management. But Nextcloud needs to be installed on top of everything else, like OpenMediaVault, a VPS, or your own Linux server. If you want to build a local storage solution for backups, file sharing at home, and light services, go with OpenMediaVault. If your goal is to access your files remotely, sync between multiple devices, or build your own Google Drive-like experience, then Nextcloud is the better fit. You can even combine them. Installing Nextcloud inside OpenMediaVault using Docker gives you the best of both worlds, powerful local storage with cloud-like remote access. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.